Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, and most likely the only crypto channel without ads. Having said that, Kiss frontman denies being paid to show Cardano, XRP, Chainlink, and other altcoins. So a lot of people allege that the Simmons here was actually paid to talk about all of these crypto, and Gene came back over on Twitter to state, again, I am not recommending or not recommending. I'm not paid and I'm not a spokesman for these. But I have done amazingly well with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Binance, Cardano, and if I invest more, I'll let you know. It's always your own call though. So again, this is quickly a statement to say he has not been paid to talk about them. He has just merely purchased them. He's not a spokesperson, and let's leave it at that. Then I want to quickly dive in on this article right here. Gold bull Jeffrey Gundlach says Bitcoin may be the stimulus asset ahead of the precious metal. Now, what it basically comes down to here is renowned gold bull and CEO of investment management firm Double Line, Jeffrey Gundlach says Bitcoin may be the stimulus asset, while adding it doesn't look like gold is. Gundlach, a self-professed long-term dollar bear, had preceded his comments about Bitcoin by remarking that lots of liquid poured into a funnel creates a torrent. Now, all of that is actually not too relevant. It is mostly about the historical price comparison between gold and Bitcoin, and this was finally the time where Bitcoin has overtaken gold relatively. So right now, 1 kilogram of gold is actually cheaper than 1 Bitcoin is, which is also something really fascinating if you look at the whole history here and how quickly this all came around. Then Tesla's stock is up 5 times since Elon Musk said it was too high. He just noted the same thing for Bitcoin. Will history repeat itself? And to me, that is once more a very interesting statement. An email saying you have gold is not the same as having gold. This was one of the statements from Elon Musk talking about how money is just data that allows us to avoid the inconvenience of barter, and that it doesn't really matter exactly what it is. That's, again, basically the end point of things. And he did say as well that Bitcoin and Ethereum seem high. Logically, though, because we are at prices we've never seen before, and we are up a ridiculous amount of money in the shortest amount of time. So once more, I do not consider that to be crazy. However, the most important point here being, is Elon Musk right again? Or rather, is he wrong again? That's the way I should put it. Last time he said a stock was too high, the stock went times 5. So if he's saying that about Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, does that mean we'll see a times 5 with these two? Or does he have a 50% accuracy where this time around he'll actually be right, meaning that the price will fall down from here? On that same note, Tesla is actually up $1 billion on their Bitcoin investment. Tesla recently put in $1.5 billion of their cash into Bitcoin, sparked a lot of controversy, but I do find it interesting how this small purchase and Elon Musk's comments have actually done so ridiculously much for Tesla, as this is more than they ever made selling all these cars. Isn't that fascinating how everything can change in the blink of an eye with digital currencies? To me, that is really, really fascinating, and I believe that they think that way as well because they probably made a lot more money than I have. Logan Paul raises $3.5 million in one day from NFT sales. Now, to a certain degree, these things are very dumb. On a different end, it's always, of course, about rarity, and he's a very big person in the space. In terms of Pokemon cards, actually, and collectibles. So yeah, a lot of people looked forward to something along these lines. Logan Paul launched an NFT sale for 3,000 personal NFTs. He sold 1,700 on the first day, totaling 3.5 million. NFT adoption continues to see a rise in usability. There were super rare 3,000 NFTs, and a couple people were going to be winning a $40,000 pack that basically cost 1 Ethereum. And again, why exactly people buy this? It's mostly on the idea that they can actually resell it, or that they can have something from their favorite content creator. I'm not exactly sure why they do it, but they did it. And I only find it fascinating that he netted so much money in the shortest amount of time. To me, that's just also really fascinating. It's kind of jealous making, if that's the right way to say it. It's something that can make you jealous. In a different sense, it's also something to admire that the space is growing so much where that many people are willing to just splurge one Ethereum like that. Then the title of this one was the only thing I needed, as the article is paid. Tesla's positioned to become the world's major Bitcoin bank in 2021. I just want you all to consider that Tesla might really become big in this regard. We don't know just too much yet, but it might get there. And almost $1.8 billion have been liquidated following crypto market's 24-hour roller coaster, and that was actually also on an XRP note, that XRP plunged 12% in minutes as $1.7 billion worth of crypto gets liquidated. It's been interesting though. I've been looking at crypto all day. I almost look at it every single day, but it's interesting how some prices move like that. Bitcoin, however, for the first time crossed 58,000. It's all in all just a really, really crazy day. Liquidations are going to be happening every single day. It's going to be crazy, guys. But thank you all for watching. See you guys again in another crypto video, hopefully tomorrow, but we'll see.